we see America actually as a growth opportunity for us, pretty fundamentally. Heretofore, we haven't focused on the U.S. as a domestic market. There have been a variety of players there, but they don't seem to be satisfying the needs of their audiences, the publishers, and some of the local broadcasters. So we expect that to be strong growth. Clearly, I'm not going to go into it right now, unfortunately, but watch this space. I have a lot to announce over the course of the next couple of months. Clearly, digital. Every client wants to talk digital. How do they make it easier? How do we extend our rights so that clients don't need to worry, do I have the right to use this on a mobile phone versus a pad versus a website versus my paper versus a broadcast? I think it's way too complex. So by simplifying it, we're seeing growth actually across the world. And like others, I mean, we've been in India and China for a long time. I've had a television business there in the past as well, but both India and China are rapidly growing markets for us, doing some different work with some different clients in both those markets.
So tell us about the state of news. Is news a commodity? What's the value in this sort of vastly changed ecosystem?
If you define a commodity as something is freely available, or let me check that, is available in a variety of substitutable forms all around the world, the answer to your question could be yes, some forms of news are. I don't think facts are a commodity. I don't think good reporting is a commodity. And at a time that there are probably more people pursuing journalism as defined than ever before, having people who are good at sussing out what matters versus the noise, so the signal-to-noise ratio, that's good news. That's good reporting. So I think it's really how do you want to define it and how do you engage? What do? We try to focus on the facts. We try to make sure that we get the news out to as many people as possible, as quickly as possible, so that there can be a robust debate, analysis, and all the opinion can be layered on top of that. So I think the news business, while it's challenged by its business model in a variety of cases, is going to continue to go through a rough patch. I'm very optimistic about our future. I'm very optimistic about the future of a variety of our clients as well.